Here are the difference between tasks and functions in Systemverilog. All the statements in the body of a function should execute in one simulation time unit. That means, a function cannot have a time-consuming statements in it. But a task can contain time-controlling statements in it. Because of this reason, functions are synthesizable but tasks are not. Therefore, you should use only functions in design coding. Because of the same first reason, a function cannot call a task in it, but a task can call other tasks and functions. Next difference is a function can return a single value to the calling point at its end, but a task cannot return a value. Therefore, non-void function can be used as an operand in an expression, and the value of that operand will be the value returned by the function. In general, functions are extensively used in both design and test bench coding, but tasks are used only in test bench coding. Tasks in Systemverilog. Even though tasks are not synthesizable in general and not recommended to use in design coding, it is good to know how to define a task for a design engineer, as they are extensively used in verification coding. Here is the general structure of a task and it is similar to that of a function. Use the keyword task and endTask instead of function and endFunction. Note that there is no return type for a task as it cannot return a value. The rules for argument list same as that of a function, and the direction specification like input and output are common in task argument list. Also note that the return statement in a task can be added only to stop its execution before the last statements in it, and you will not see them in tasks in general. Here is a simple example of defining a task. A task can contain time-consuming statements and other task calls in it.